before I said. Now can we clap for the colorful team? I don't have a name for them. What's that called? They're the Dragons. They made up a name for themselves. Okay. Yeah, they made up a name for themselves.
Hi, I'm Melinda.
I'm sorry about my armpit.
Hi, I'm 13.
Hi, I'm Josh, 12, and I've been dancing for 5 years.
Hi,
I'm Zoe, and I'm also from Seattle, and I've been dancing for 9 years. And I'm done.
I'm Sandra. I'm 21 and I've been dancing for 18 years.
Wow!
She said she's been dancing for 18 years.
Fellas, I'm from Ohio. I've been dancing for... Oh, wow. They went so hard.
I'm Ben. I'm 19. That's for 3 years.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up? I'm Genesis, and
You guys, not to be funny, this is why you stay in school, because us dancers cannot talk. All we do is dance. Stay behind the scenes. Those dancers, okay. We all came together as an opportunity to give back to the community, as a way to give back our time, not just our money. A lot of people don't put enough time into supporting you guys. So before we even start, I want you guys to give a round of applause to your teachers and everybody that's here, like your parents, that are putting in the time to be here with you guys every day so that these things can be possible. I also want to say thank you to you guys, because if it wasn't for the parents, I wouldn't have these kids to perform for. Thank you very much. We're about to get it on.
I'm gonna sit right here. Can I sit?
Hold up. Where you going? Now, you know what? Since you want to be attention and run in the middle of my house, you want to come up here and talk now. Hello? What's your name?
Micah,
How old are you?
11,
How long you been dancing?
1 year.
1 year? All right. Round of applause. Let's see who else is here. How you doing, sir? Don't walk away. Oh, he's gone. I don't think I can catch him. He's out. Okay. I was trying to get some other people from the crowd to say hello. I met a little, there he goes. Let me tell you guys something. We came here, we walked up, and this guy says, hey, I'm part of your team. I want to be in your prayer and just meet everybody, so you're going to come walk out with us. I don't even know his name. He walked up and said, hey guys, how you doing? You guys want to dance? So